Do you want to make $25 to $300 in PayPal money per day by doing simple internet activities? So, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to make that kind of money by only visiting websites taking screenshots. This method will be completely free, and I guarantee that it will work anywhere on the globe. Let me inform you about the potential earnings you can expect. You may receive $25 for completing a 5-minute assignment, $75 for completing a 10-minute task, and $300 for completing a 30-minute activity. Isn't this an interesting one? Today I'll show you a website that will help you earn that amount of money. So stay tight until the end to learn how to use this strategy. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. The first step in using this method is to visit a website named panel.validately.com, which looks like this. Now, when you go onto their website, you'll notice a button that reads Create an Account, which I want you to click. After clicking that, you'll be taken to this page, where you'll have to answer a few questions. There will be 16 statements in total, and I want you to pay great attention so you don't get lost. I will guide you in answering these questions, and I'll give some tips in the middle, so stay around. For the first one, they'll ask about your mobile device. Go ahead and respond to that. They'll ask you that kind of computer you have for the following one, and I need you to fill that in once more. They'll then inquire about the version of the operating system you're running. They'll then inquire about your gender. After that, you'll enter your birth year. They'll then ask for your level of education, and I need you to select college graduate for this one so they can give you more attention. Next, you'll be asked to select your employment status, and I'll need you to select full-time, part-time, or self-employed. You can select any of these 3 options, but I'll select self-employed for this video. Next, you'll be asked what industry you work in, and for this one, I'd like you to fill in and select information technology, because that's what this website is especially searching for. You'll be asked for your job title in question 9, and you may just pick on whatever category you belong to. But if you don't have one yet, choose Marketing Manager, and then click Next. Following that, you'll be asked for your annual household income, which you can choose whatever it is suits you. After that, you'll be prompted for your entire name, which you should provide. They'll need your email after that, so go ahead and do that as well. It will be crucial in answering the next question. They will require PayPal email in order to pay you within 24 hours. If you don't already have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account by clicking Sign Up Now and filling out the required personal information. Proceed to the next question, where you'll be asked to write in your unique password, which you should do now. Next, we'll go on to the second to the last step, in which they'll ask you where your time zone is assigned. So click Detect My Location and accept the message that asks for your consent. Take note that this website is secure and that once you provide your location, they will not track you, as stated right here. Now, for the final and most important statement, click this button that says, Yes, I accept, to agree to the website's terms of service and privacy policy, and then click Sign Up, and you're done. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code, easiest way to earn PayPal money, as a pre-registration for our exclusive $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. To take a step back, after you're done making a free account, I need you to go to your email inbox, locate the message that reads Validate.ly, and then click on the link that they will send you. By selecting that option, you will be taken to a website where we will continue the procedure. Now, click here where it says, I will test websites for money, and you'll be led to the page where they'll show you how. For the time being, please click on Next, and then on this button below that says, I'm ready to begin this test. And after that, you'll be assigned jobs that you'll need to accomplish. Moving on to the actual job that we need to do today in order to earn $300 per day. To begin, you'll be assigned different kinds of projects. For mine, they gave these assignments to me, where I'll need to visit websites. You may read my task on the screen. First, the site tells me that I need to go to Amazon, and then I'll simply need to capture a screenshot of Amazon's webpage. Next, I'll need to find today's deal on Amazon and take a screenshot of it. Finally, I need to look up Scott Standard Bath Tissue and take a screenshot on the actual product. Validate.ly.com's tasks are as straightforward as this, and I'll show you how simple they are right now. To show you, here are the precise actions that the website assigned to me. So first and foremost, I'll go to Amazon.com. After that, I'll capture a screenshot with my keyboard's print screen key. Then, I'll go to the upper left corner of the screen and grab another screenshot of today's deal. Finally, I'll need to type the term Scott Standard Bath Tissue into the search field, click on the product, and then snap a screenshot. After that, all I have to do is submit it to the website and I'll be able to withdraw my PayPal funds. Have you noticed how simple those tasks were? You can earn anywhere from $25 to $300 by simply opening websites and sending screenshots, depending on how many activities you do. Remember that 5-minute jobs pay $25, 10-minute tasks pay $75, and 30-minute tasks pay $300. Note that Validate.ly.com gives you an unlimited number of tasks to accomplish. An assignment I just showed you was only a small part of that. I've already made profit of $25 by doing so. Isn't it thrilling? So, what are you holding out for? Sign up for a free account on panel.validate.ly.com right now, and then do all the jobs they offer you daily to make up to $300 per day. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.